ICD-10 PCS JJ-PCA Guidelines, page 023, part 5. These two sentences for the guidelines are what we are doing all the time. First, check the index, they tell you, and then go to the tabular to double check. That's what they're telling you. So we're going to read exactly what the text says. Tef?
Conventions.
A6. The purpose of the alphabetic index, which is the first step that you have to do with the alphabetic index, is to locate the appropriate table that contains all information necessary to construct a procedure code.
The PCS tables,
or the tabular, right?
right, should always be consulted to find the most appropriate valid code.
Right. All I'm telling you is first go to the index and then check in the tabular, right? And we have there the 7 characters as a reminder of how they are constructed, right? The first one is section. The second one is
body system.
Third, root operation. Fourth,
body part.
The fifth is approach.
6 is device.
And the 7 is the qualifier. Okay, so that's our theory. Now we're going to do a problem. Ready, set, go. All right, PCS JJ-PCA, page 611, exercise 9, level 1. And the problem reads like this.
Sigmoidoscopy with sigmoid polypectomy.
Polypectomy, right? So this is sigmoidoscopy with sigmoid polypectomy. And now you have to find the PCS code for this. We're going to count to 3 so you can pause the video and give us the code. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is 0dB N8ZZ. Okay, if you got that answer, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's give you a few tips. Okay, tip number 1.
Start with polypectomy.
Start with polypectomy. Tip number 2.
Sigmoid means sigmoid colon.
Right. If you just find the word sigmoid, what they're talking about is sigmoid colon, right? And 3.
Since problem does not indicate percutaneous, go with via natural or artificial opening. Right.
They're not saying that it's a percutaneous procedure. So go with via natural or artificial opening, right? Okay, so with these tips, you should be able to get the path to the answer. The answer is 0dB/N8ZZ, but now we need you to get the path. And we're going to count to 3 so you can pause the video and give us a path. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the whole summary of the problem is sigmoidoscopy with sigmoid polypectomy. There's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to index.
Then you go to polypectomy.
Polypectomy.
Gastrointestinal.
Gastrointestinal.
And then you get these first 3 characters. Is 0dB.
You get 0dB. Now we're going to find the rest in the tabular, right? So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular.
Go to the tabular.
Then you go to 0dB.
You start with 0dB. What's that?
Medical and surgical.
That's the 0, right? That's the section.
Gastrointestinal system.
That's the body system.
And that's excision.
Excision is the root operation. And you know that it's excision because it's ectomy. Ectomy means excision, right? Okay, let's keep going. One more character.
N is sigmoid colon.
The N is sigmoid colon. We told you in the tips that sigmoid or sigmoid colon is the same, right?
Right.
So one more character.
8 is via natural or artificial opening endoscopic.
Right. And remember that we told you if it doesn't say percutaneous, then it has to be via natural or artificial opening. Okay? And the next character?
And the next one is Z.
Z for?
No device.
Means we don't leave anything in the body, like a graft or a pacemaker or anything that wasn't there, we don't leave it. And the last character is?
Another Z
because we don't need a qualifier, which means we don't need an extra character to identify this procedure. So the equal sign means we double check this procedure, and the answer is 0 dB and 8 ZZ. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to visit our website. Thank you.